Traveling is not an escape. It's healing. When life feels heavy and days start repeating, travel teaches you how to breathe again. It doesn't erase your problems, but it shows you how small they really are. In a world so big. On the road, you learn patience from delays, gratitude from simple lives, and courage from standing alone in new places. Travel breaks routine, builds confidence, and reconnects you with yourself. You don't just collect destinations, you collect lessons, memories, and strength. Sometimes, the best medicine isn't found in pills or words. It's found on a journey. You don't find yourself at home, you find yourself while traveling. Travel teaches lessons that money can't buy. The world heals what routine breaks. Travel more.